Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm customizing my lace frontal, styling, and I'll be wearing my makeup. I customized this frontal before now to some extent, but I'm not satisfied with how it looks, so I thought I should do it again and share this video with you guys. So I'm using a pair of tweezers and just really thin out the hairline to look as natural as my own hairline. Remember that customizing your frontal takes a lot of time and a lot of patience, because you definitely can get through with this in like 10 to 15 minutes. So it's like 30 minutes or more to customize your entire frontal. And also note that while doing this, you have to keep combing the frontal, and there's gonna be a lot of shedding. So I'll keep plucking until I'm satisfied with how it looks, and at some point I just chunk the hair and tint that out as well. Good, it's really natural right now, guys. Look how gorgeous this looks. I'm so proud of myself at the moment. I'm so proud of myself watching this. Yes. So this is basically how I customize my frontal, and now I'll go on to styling the frontal, so y'all see how I slay and lay my frontal. There are so many methods on how to lay your frontal, but I prefer this method because I find it very easy, and yeah, it's not time consuming. So I just tie the hair to make it very firm and properly laid, so I can go on with my makeup. So I'm not a pro when it comes to wearing makeup, but this is basically how I do my makeup when I have to wear makeup. So you can drop your comments if you have any comments on my makeup. Yeah. Red lipstick. Hell no, I'm gonna have to take this off. Feeling like one Oyibo girl right now on this hair. Looking at this, it's so beautiful. You don't even need baby hair, but I just decided to style it this way so you see how it looks, baby hair or not. So this is what it looks like in the end. So yeah, it's so pretty. Thank you for watching this video. I love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. You can also follow me on Instagram at Tori. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.